Temperature stabilizing at 850 Celsius.
And pressure holding steady at 1.2. The normalization cycle is stable.
The ally billets are secured and routed for pre-treatment.
Acknowledged. Material flow uninterrupted. The audio features a man speaking in a professional tone, likely discussing the technical data.
In a separate factory zone, the silvery aluminum corkum billets are cut into pre-sized rectangular blanks for the Visor Nose Mechanism assembly.
Check the thermal log against the spec sheet.
35.2 HRC. It matches the requirement for the Ogee panel.
Good. Make a note.
Pallet lock confirmed. Sequence ready.
Initiating Ogee Delta Wing program. Stand clear.
Starboard edge shows 3 mm offset.
Acknowledged. Applying microcorrection now. Looks good.
Alignment confirmed. Proceeding with sequence.
Temperature holding steady at 920.
Pressure curve is exactly on target. No signs of warping.
The data confirms the complex geometry aligns perfectly.
Structurally and geometrically sound.
Looks like a clean scan on the Ogee wing section. No anomalies detected.
Agreed. Let's log the successful inspection.
The infrared heaters precisely bake the protective coating onto the titanium surface. As the panel
Reading stable across all mounts. Green status.
Acknowledged. Process A label secured. Ready for transport.
The titanium pivot frame is the heart of the Droop-Nose mechanism. Laser alignment ensures micron-level precision for the ally rods.
Thermal scan on actuator 7 looks nominal.
Confirmed. No hydraulic leakage detected on the seals.
This specialized anti-friction aerospace lubricant ensures long-term smooth operation. Applied
Torque checks complete on all points.
Confirmed. The laser alignment is perfect.
Seal 52 Alpha is secure. No signs of transit damage.
Confirmed. Uploading arrival data to the mainframe.
Bring it left 5 millimeters.
On the left, steady.
Laser alignment green.
Integrating the visor mechanism is a delicate process, followed by the crucial software upload, ensuring synchronization with the aircraft systems.
Check the starboard gear pressure again.
Reading steady at 2,500 psi, consistent with the last check.
At supersonic speeds, the Process B visor mechanism maintains perfect alignment, minimizing drag and generating this livable shockwave.
The Tupolev Tu-144 begins its descent, initiating the droop sequence.
Visor mechanism assembly appears fully secured.
Confirmed. All readings are nominal. Another successful cycle.
Visor coming up. Confirmed locked. Ready for tow.
Look at the load-bearing results here. Flawless actuation across the envelope.
Truly remarkable work. Process B delivered perfectly.
The Tupolev Tu-144 charger specification processes B stands